Transitive verbs are the verbs that do not require an object to complete the meaning of a sentence. Linking verbs are always intransitive. And intransitive verbs, they never answer the question who or what. Like the pilot landed carefully. Now here this verb landed is a verb here which do not requires an object. The pilot landed carefully. There is no object. It answers the question landed what or whom. So this is here the landed is a intransitive verb. Now let's practice to determine if the verb is transitive or intransitive. Hopefully it will snow this year. Now here will snow is the verb and it is intransitive. The student asked his teacher a question. Now here asked is a verb. It needs an object. Asked his teacher what? A question. Question is the object here. So here asked is a transitive verb. Jackson is very energetic. Now here Jackson is very energetic. Here linking verb, as I told you, they work as intransitive verb. So here is a intransitive verb. Student in the class were really loud. Here were is the helping verb. So here it is an intransitive verb. I am confused about algebra. Again, am is the helping verb, so it is the intransitive verb. The girl sang in the competition. Now here the girl sang in the competition. So here sang is a intransitive verb. Always do your best. Always do what? Your best. So here do is a transitive verb. It requires an object to complete the meaning of the sentence. The earth revolves around the sun. Now it's quite obvious the earth revolves around the sun. So here revolves is a intransitive verb. So I hope the difference between transitive and intransitive verb is clear to you. So let's revise once again. Transitive verbs are the action words that have an object to receive the action, or you can say they require an object to complete the meaning of the sentence. He rode the bicycle. If we see rode is the verb here and bicycle is the object. He rode what? The bicycle. So that means rode is a transitive verb. Intransitive verbs are the action words, but unlike transitive verbs, they do not have an object that receives the action. For example, he laughed, he jumped. Laughed and jumped are the verbs, but they are intransitive because they do not require an object to complete the meaning of a sentence. Further, we discussed action verb, helping verb, and linking verb. Action verbs, which tells you what the subject is doing: ran, walk, swim, tell, hide, write, dance, paint. Okay, all these are the action verbs. Linking verbs, they connects the subject to a noun or an adjective in a predicate. Messi is a football player. Now if you see is the linking verb which connects the subject to a word in the predicate, as I told you earlier. So here it is connecting the subject to a player, that Messi is a football player. Player is a noun here, so it is connecting to a noun in the predicate. So that's why they are called as linking verb. Like other words are also used as linking verbs, such as I told you, linking, there are 9 types of linking verbs, that is, am, are, was, were, be, being, become, seem. But there are other words also that works the function of linking verb, that is smell, look, taste, feel, remain, turn, appear, become, sound, seem, grow, stay, can, they, stay. They are also linking verbs. So I hope with this it is clear to you that linking verbs, it do not show an action or do nothing like throw or send. They show a relationship. They show a relationship as they connects the subject to a word in a predicate. Like it tells something about the subject. It links the subject of the sentence with a noun or adjective or an adjective in the predicate. For example, Sunday nights are awful. Now here Sunday nights is the subject, are is the linking verb which connects the subject to the predicate, right, to a word in the predicate, and that word is a noun or an adjective. Now here awful is an adjective, so here it is connecting or linking the subject to adjective. So linking verbs, they point back to the subject to tell more about it. Keep this thing in mind, that these linking verbs, they connects the subject to a word in a predicate, and that word is a noun or an adjective. It tells you about subject, it tells you more about the subject. Suppose cow is blue in color. Now here blue cow is the subject and blue is the color, right? It is telling you that cow, it is telling you more about the cow, that the cow is blue. Is it clear? Similarly, Sunday nights are awful. It is telling you about the Sunday nights, that they are awful. Is it clear? So linking verbs, as I told you, is, am, are, was, were, be, being, been, look, smell, sound, taste, feel, appear, become, seem, grow, remain, stay. All these are the helping verbs. Now is, am, are, was, were, be, being, become, these are the linking verbs, right? And others are the sensory linking verbs which we can feel. Look, smell, sound, taste, feel, which we can't touch but we can sense them. Okay, so be careful, these words can be used as an action verb or a linking verb. So with this, I would like to end our today's class, and I hope the three types of verb are clear to you: transitive verb, intransitive verb, and linking verbs, and also the difference between action verbs and helping verbs. Thank you and have a nice day.